I just bought a huge box of silver and I spent over $2,000. In fact, I spent exactly $2,121. And what I thought we'd do today is open it up. I'll show you what's inside and then you can tell me if I made a great deal in the comments down below. My channel is sponsored by sdbullion.com. New customers can get their first order of gold or silver at spot by going to sdbullion.com/new. Now, of course, I know exactly how many ounces are in this box, and you will find out once we count it all up. But what we have is a lot of fractional silver. What's cool is I don't actually know what each of the fractional pieces are. I saw an overview screenshot, and then I was told how many ounces there were total, a number, and I said yes. And here we go. Well, got to cut it properly if you're actually going to get this open. That should be good. Every time I think it should be good, it's not. And if you guys want to know who or where I got this from, I'll also tell you in this video. Let's pull this out though. All right, I just wanted to make sure my actual name wasn't on it. You can see it's from Minot, it's from Josh. It says, thanks, Seeker. And there might be even something in the envelope. So one of them is the invoice, and there's the total, which you already know. The other one is just a thank you note. Apparently he included 2 collectibles as a token of his appreciation. So we're not going to count that in with the total of the $2,121 that I spent, but we will definitely take a look. So here we go. All right. I think this might be the collectibles, and I think this one is the silver that I ordered. And then, yeah, the rest of it's just some padding inside of the box, which I will certainly reuse. All right, so I guess before we actually get into the silver that I paid for, we will take a look at these collectibles that he told me to accept as a token of his appreciation, I guess is what he said in the note. Listen, guys, I am just the guy. I don't let things like this go to my head, but I really appreciate, you know, I've had a lot of people send me things over the years. I have a whole section of one of my tables that's all stuff that have been sent to me over the years. So whenever someone does send me something, it always goes into my permanent collection. It never gets resold. It'll be, you know, I'll have to be starving on the street, you know, before I sell any of the stuff that is sent to me. All right, so we definitely got 2 boxes. Oh, I saw these and I kind of wanted these and I do not have any yet. Are they both? And I'm gonna show you guys what these, okay. So there's 2 different ones. This is really cool. So if you guys ever played with like the toy soldiers, you know, the little green guys back in the day. So these right here, Elemental made these, and they're literally pure silver soldier tokens. How cool is that? Man, if you had a bunch of these to play with when you were a kid, how cool would that be? I don't know if they're marked anywhere though. I mean, I know they're 99 silver. But I would figure they're marked on the foot, but I don't see anything. Yeah, so I took a second and looked at everything under a loop, and I do not see any markings on this, but I do know they're 99 fine. I've seen these. I've wanted to get one. I actually would love to get the whole collection, and I probably will at some point. But this is a great start and such a great gift. So, like I said, Josh, thank you, and this will remain in my personal collection. If you guys haven't seen those yet, you should definitely Google them. They are really, really cool if you're into collectible silver. Although, if I remember correctly, the premium on them is really high. All right, next up, this says drop the coins, and it says Imagination, and then we open it up. Imagination Galactica. Oh, okay, this is cool as well. All right, let's take a look at this up close. So yeah, we have an astronaut here. You can see the planets in the background. There's a space shuttle right there. And of course, the sun. And on the reverse, you see we have 47 AG. So there's its atomic number right there, and 99 fine silver, 1 troy ounce. This is really cool. I have no idea what these are worth, but again, it doesn't matter because this is something, you know, I have zero intention of selling anyway. Such a cool piece and a great gift from Josh. Josh, thank you again. And just in case you guys wanted to see the absolute mess that I'm talking about here, this is all stuff that's been sent to me, including this really cool thing. Look at that. These are all Indian head scents. And yeah, everything up here, like I said, well, this wasn't sent to me. I printed that, but I was sent the pattern from Silver Jekyll. But anyway, this is all stuff that was sent to me over the years, and I keep everything. The cards, the letters, the notes, all of it. All right, so you guys have been waiting to see what's actually in this that I bought for $2,121. Now's the time, and if you skipped that early part of the video, totally understand. We're going to take a look inside of this because, you know, when I was doing that video with Josh about the $100,000 worth of silver that he bought in one day, I had asked him about the fractionals, and I said, what do you need for him? And he gave me a deal. I think it was a great deal, but again, you guys decide after you see what's in here. Full disclosure, this isn't all for my permanent stack. In fact, probably only a few pieces out of here is going to go in my perma stack. I bought these for other things, for giveaways, you know, for auction things like that, that I do occasionally. And fractionals, I'm always looking for at a great price. All right, let's get this open. You guys tell me if I got a good deal here. So here we go. I don't want to push too hard because I don't want to cut into the silver. So I think that one little cut's probably fine. Okay, man, that is a lot of fractional silver right there for sure. I believe these are all generics, like, you know, buffaloes and mercury dime designs and things like that. And these are taped up really well. Man, this guy ships like I do. Okay. All right, how many do you think I have? So these look like bags of 1 10th ounces. So we have 2 bags of 1 10th ounce silver rounds. These look like quarter ounces. Love the quarter ounce stuff. And we got a bunch of half ounces. You can see we have some Sunshines. We have some Atmex. We have, you know, some of these Buffalo rounds. Lots of different stuff in here. So we're going to open those up. Let's first take a look. We're going to pour these out. Oh, yeah. And you guys don't have to sit here and watch me count all these up. I'll put them in piles. You can see how many are actually there after we look at the different designs that are in here. But that is really cool. I love seeing all of these 1 10th ounce silver fractionals. Yeah, let's see. So we have, look at that. We actually have some premium silver. These are 1 10th ounce silver bounties. They are 10 cents face value. You can see these are from the Cook Islands. You got Elizabeth, the late Elizabeth on here, and they are certainly not perfect. No means at all. You can see they're scratched, they're scraped. So you're not going to get a premium price for these, you know, in this condition. But the fact that they're even in here is really cool. So we got a bunch of those. We have some of these mercury dime. Oh, these look like they have like a proof-like finish. Very, very cool. GSM right there, which is Golden State Mint, I believe. And we have some of these Walking Liberty, like Silver Eagle style. Yeah, this is Silver Eagle reverse. So you have these 1 10th ounce Silver Eagle designs. This one looks like it has some milk spotting on it. A lot of the Cook Islands, a lot of those. Is that it? Mercs. Yeah, that looks to be about it. I will test some of these. I know Josh tests all of his stuff. You've seen videos where he's tested and he's called fakes. But I'll test a few. Oh, we do have some Buffaloes. But yeah, I'll definitely be testing a lot of these, at least a few of these. Oh, here's a Roosevelt dime. Oh, wait, that's not Roosevelt. That's not Roosevelt. That is Ronald Reagan. So one of these Ronald Reagan 10th ounce Liberty dimes. These are cool as well. But anyway, let me count these up and I'll let you know how many are there. All right, so I have them in stacks of 10 and I did pull out the bounties. So there's 20 of those and there's actually 10 of these Roosevelt dimes with Reagan on them. They are pure silver. 1 10th ounces. So we have 330 total 10th ounces for a total of 33 ounces. I was originally going to sort these by type, but it became a nightmare. There's 2 different types of Silver Eagle ones in here. There's some that have a smaller diameter but are thicker, some with a bigger diameter but are thinner. And so at that point, I'm like, all right, I don't have all day right now. So we went ahead and, you know, just stacked them up. But I did sort these out, and I'll probably sort these out later. Next up, we are going to take a look at our quarter ounces. So I went ahead and got my 10th ounces put in bags. Now it's time to open up the quarter ounces and dump them out and see what we have. So we have some of these. I've shown these off on the channel before. These are beautiful. These are the 1/4 ounce Standing Liberty quarter. You know, these are beautiful. We got the type 1 right there where the eagle looks like it's landing. This original design actually looked like this. And then, you know, they complain that, you know, it shows weakness because the eagle's coming in for a landing. It's tired. It's weak. America's not weak. So they lifted the eagle up and put stars under the eagle to make it look like it was still in flight. But there's some of those in there. We have some 1/4 ounce Buffalo rounds right there. Some more, you know, 1/4 ounce Silver Eagle rounds. More Silver Eagle rounds, I should say, 1/4 ounce. And yeah, so quite a few of those. I don't see anything else. So we got Buffaloes, Yeah, Silver Eagles and Standing Liberty quarters in our quarter ounce rounds. So I'll go ahead and put these in piles of 1 ounce again, and we'll see how much we have. Alrighty, so I have our quarter ounces sorted out, and then we ended up with 16 of these beautiful Standing Liberty quarters. I love these things. We ended up with 40 of the 1 1/4 ounce buffaloes. So we can take a look at those little stacks of 4 right here. And then we ended up with 25. So we had 1 outlier, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 25 1 1/4 ounce Silver Eagle rounds. Uh-oh, I almost lost one. But there you go. So with that, we have 20.25 ounces in our quarter ouncers. Let's take a look at our half ouncers and find out how much we have. Alrighty, so for our half ouncers, let's take a look at what we have here. So we got some of these APMEX half ounce rounds. Seen these before many, many times. We have some Sunshine Minting half ounce rounds. I really like these. Those are really cool. I do like that stuff. And then we have some Morgan Silver Dollar half ounce rounds. So that is your US Morgan Silver Dollar right there. And that might be it. No, yeah, APMEX, Sunshine, and Morgans. Oh, we do have 1 outlier in here. 2. All right, we have one of the 1/2 ounce Devil Brigade. This is a 2015. I've had these on the channel many times. And it looks like we have 1/2 ounce Noah's Ark from the year of 2013. You can see it there under the loop. Not bad. All right, so let me go ahead and stack these up. And then again, you guys can tell me how much we have. All right, so I have the half ouncers sorted right here. And before I tell you how many there are and what these piles are, I will tell you that we're going to be giving one of these away. So make sure you keep listening to find out how. But what we have here is, it looks like these are all 1 ounce piles. So it looks like we have 10 ounces of Morgan rounds. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we have some of these Sunshine Minting rounds. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ounces of those. Then we have these APMEX rounds. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ounces of those. Then we have an extra Sunshine Minting round, this beautiful 1/2 ounce Devil's Brigade, and this 1/2 ounce Noah's Ark. That is a total of 22.5 ounces in our 1/2 ounce round. So I hope you've been watching, because I am actually going to give away one of these half ouncers. And how we're going to do it is, I want you to comment down below. Let me know how much I paid per ounce. And yes, that 21.21 is exact. It's not rounded up or down. Let me know how much I paid per ounce and how many total ounces there are. And I will pick one of those comments at random to win this 1/2 ounce Silver Devil's Brigade. I'll pay for shipping and everything. And by the way, if you do get a comment saying that you're the winner of that half ouncer, make sure it comes from me. My channel is verified, so it has a verification check mark next to it. And whenever I comment on my own videos, my name is also highlighted. So make sure you look for the highlighted name with the check mark. And if you still aren't sure, click the name and it will take you to my YouTube channel page, so you can make sure that it is actually a comment from me. Make sure you don't send your information to scammers, because they will try and get it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you like and subscribe so you see more videos like this in the future. Don't forget to check out this video right here if you haven't seen it yet. It's the interview with Josh, where we talked about him buying $100,000 worth of silver. And other than that, you have a great rest of your day. We'll see you next time.